Hi everybody, welcome back. In this small video I'm making wooden frames to step on. Right here I'm sawing the wood to width and length. This is Douglas 4. For me this was some leftover from another project. I like working with this wood, it cuts easily and it's more resistant to weather than spruce, so it works outside fairly well. The exact width and length is not very critical, just to choose a dimension which feels right. With stop block, cutting the length is a lot more repeatable. After that, I laid out the pieces, starting with the two bottom ones, then the top sides and the middle, and then filling the spacing. After that, I could fixate everything. In the corners I used stainless steel screws, and in the middle pieces, nails. You could use water-resistant glue, but for me this wasn't needed. After that, I broke the corners with a small router. This makes the look a lot more finished. And then I could place the steppers. This little nook of my garden is for some wood storage and my rainwater tanks. In the summer this is great for watering the plants. I like this design because it's practical as a stepper, but you could fill a small patio with this and the grass can grow in between the wood. Thanks for watching.